Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to clean chlorine stains from tiles easy guide. Begin by rinsing the tile with cool water to remove loose residue, then test a small area with a diluted vinegar solution to ensure color fastness. Apply a paste of baking soda and water to the stain, let sit 10 minutes, then scrub gently with a soft brush. Rinse thoroughly and dry with a microfiber cloth for best results. Gather supplies: gloves, soft brush, baking soda, white vinegar, bucket, microfiber cloth, and optional hydrogen peroxide for stubborn stains. Work in a ventilated area and wear gloves to protect skin. Mix 1 part vinegar to 3 parts water for a mild cleaner, or make a paste with baking soda and water for scrubbing. Use hydrogen peroxide sparingly on grout only, then rinse thoroughly and dry afterwards. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. They save time when cleaning up after pool days and food prep. Check the description for the product link and other deals that help you tidy faster. This little tip keeps cleaning routines smoother and makes tile care simpler. Now let's get back to the video. For deep or set chlorine stains, repeat paste application and let it sit longer, up to 30 minutes before scrubbing. Consider a poultice using powdered cleaner and water for severe spots, applied and covered for several hours. After stain lifts, neutralize with water and a small amount of baking soda, rinse well, and dry. To prevent future stains, avoid leaving chlorine products on tile and wipe spills immediately after contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.